in the air, lights are flashing everywhere. Move your body, let it go, and the rhythm will glow. This is the night, this is the sound, dancing together we're on.
Hi guys, tonight is our first night here in Siquijor. So, this is our room and Kuya is sleeping there. Ate is there in the closet. Closet si ate kay cellphone. Naghuwat sa tubig nga mapuno. So, our day guys is really nice. Come here now, Habibi. You see this? Our day is like this when it's not planned to come over here, but it's happened. So we book hotel, but the hotel I booked is really far away from the place that we have a lot of what you call that attraction in the and secure. So this afternoon we just visit. This morning we just dropped by in the airport. The flying that you can do fly something. It's like parachute, diving, skydiving. We just dropped by there, and then while we are looking around a place to stay, because every time you go to far away, going closer to the well-known resort here in Siquijor, going expensive. So what we do, we just back because we are decided to stay here in the across the city. So we just saw this place. This place is nice, very nice, and we can cook also. Then we have our own water, and the shower is not cold, it's not hot, it's just like normal. And we have a kitchen with all the utensils that you like. Then I will show you tomorrow what is the look of this place. This what you call that place that we check in. So it's nice. Oh, cliff, honey cliff. Guys, good morning. So today our second day in Siquijor. It's raining, man. Hey. So we experience brownout, nighttime and morning. So this is our morning. It's brownout. So it's raining still, but we try to go out here early because we try our travel be finished at early as can. Then next day we go home. Oy. That's the clouds. There's a rain coming. Big rain. Good morning guys. Dili kami nagstay sa kuan. Kana Linoy Tourist Inn. So all in one ni siya guys. Nay kuan ukay-ukay. Yeah. Na siya ukay-ukay guys.
I ready to go. I ready to go. Just looking good to me. I ready to go.
Kani ilang mga baligya. Cute sila guys. Cute. Dream come true. 150. So mga antique ni guys. So narani siya sa Siquijor. Kini siya cute. Ha? This one is cute, Sahira. Do you like it? Hey, ayaw ba? Kasabaan kang ate, ana. Cute, oh. Paita, ano. 58. Ayaw ha, makasa. Ayaw ha. May water po. Oh yeah, nice. 800 guys. Sa'yo kayo nangabli. Sa'yo kayo nagsamok-samok na. Tara, dito na to. Ha?
Sa kabalo ko mupiko, ani. Tawa, kabalo ko mupiko. So tawa, kabalo ko.
Ayaw na, tara. Butang na. Stop it na. Kamo na. Buti, makasa mo din na.
Magapilo ko ng bangko. May magpilo ng bangko.
Mga kutsilyo.
I wish for that.
The place that we stay, guys. So look at. So for now, we are only stay here. So this is the simple reception area. Then this place is cheaper and affordable for traveler. So we go upstairs. So this is upstairs, guys. If you enter, this is what you call that. You can sit down here. You can relax here, and they have also they provide us a water dispenser with the hot and cold water. So while you're waiting your friends, you can sit down here. You can have relax here. Nighttime, enjoy the music, and then they have a 5-room. So this one is, we look at this one. Look at, so they have a signal here, but we don't use the signal because here in Siquijor is, what you call that? So, so we have our own rice cooker. We can cook. Then we can make hot water, And this one is our utensils here in the upstairs room. So this is the water. No water for now because it's burned out. So this is me in the little kitchen. Then I don't know, is this one? It's locked. They lock it. Then this is the view downstairs. Then that is what you call that there, dining table that you can eat there because you cannot eat inside in your room. So we just go downstairs again, and today is brownout. The brownout here today is early, so on May 10 it's brownout. So
I think we didn't pay the water bill or no, the electric bill.
it's early brownout, guys, so I don't know if like this or what, but it's okay.
I saw it.
It's cute.
Very cute.
So if you need something, you can buy water, beer, Pilsen, but it's closed, but nobody's one pa. The owner is not yet here. So this is the surroundings of this inn that you love it. So the owner is next door. And then this one is for 5,000 family room. Good for 10 people.
I wish I could go and say I want to ride that.
We will look at 14,000 or 5,000 room. I'm sorry. Hey. Oh, it's a big one. Or somebody sleeping
Can I
here.
see? Huh?
Ayaw.
Somebody sleeping?
Ayaw, wala. Tari kaya na punta. So this is really nice. Look at the wood. So this place is a wood, and they have their own kitchen. So if you come here to Siquijor, just stay here. I can assure you it's nice. So this is the view of our room downstairs. So there's a kitchen there. There you can cook. They provide the people who stay here, they provide ref
And supply.
and then cooking area like gasol, and you can grill here. So let's roaming around pa more.
Let's go behind.
Uy, Janre. Kuya, papawa na di ako.
Janre!
So look at the plants. This is the plants of them. Then there's a jackfruit. And then when you come here, there's a mango fall down. So every morning you come here, when you stay here, you can pick up mango everywhere, anytime. This one is new. Yes. That's really nice. So look at in the back. In the back of a lot of space pa. our comfy stay here in Siquijor. So Ate Mylene is cooking and me is vlogging, so I can upload before the another picture or video. So the other night we make a, what you call that, we grilled fish.
Show me.
It's in the air, lights are flashing everywhere. Move your body, let it go, and the rhythm will glow. This is the night, this is the sound. Dancing together, we're unbound. Electric love, we're alive. In this moment, we'll survive.